Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to sum up about the chapters of portfolio assessment. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Nindi Ika Amelia. Okay, let's start. Um, in this portfolio assessment chapter, we have some parts in it, and before I explain one by one of the parts, I would like to explain to you about what is portfolio itself. Portfolio assessment is one kind of assessment which is um, which is help which is given from the teachers uh, for the students to measure to explain to measure to know how far the material which is given by teachers to the students in the lessons. And then um, I would like to explain to you about the advantages of portfolio assessment. As I said before, portfolio assessment is to measure the students' understanding of the materials. So the advantages is we can, as a teacher, we can evaluate how far the students understandings of the materials which is given by us as a teacher. So it this portfolio assessment very helpful for teachers to know which is students is understand or not. Okay, the next part is essential element of portfolio assessment. There are three parts of this chapter. This part, the first one is samples of students' work. The second is student self-assessment. The third one is clearly stated criteria. And the first sample of students' work, it shows that students' work that grow over time. So the portfolio, it shows how far the students grow over time. We can give samples of students' work in portfolio. First one is writing samples, or maybe we can give audio or video tapes, or maybe social studies report. Anything samples of students' work. Yeah, for measure the students progress. And the second one, student self assessment. Student self assessment means that portfolio itself only show how far the students their own one by one of students growth progress, how far they progress, how far they understand of the materials. It means that this students' work, this portfolio, only to measure one by one of the students. And the third one is clearly stated criteria. It is clearly identified the criteria. It is the criteria clearly stated on the portfolio. So as the teachers who give the portfolio to the students, we have to explain why. We have to state it why the portfolio it is given to the students. So the students will understand why they do the assessments.